Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook caldereta. To begin, gather your ingredients and prepare your beef, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. You will need 1 kilogram of beef, cut into 2-inch cubes, along with essential vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers. Have your tomato sauce, liver spread, and various spices at hand. Preparing all components beforehand makes the cooking journey much more enjoyable and efficient for this hearty stew. Once your ingredients are prepared, we start building the flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot. Sauté your minced garlic for about 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant, then add the sliced onions, cooking them until they are translucent. Now, add your beef cubes, browning them thoroughly on all sides to create a rich base. This crucial step helps develop the depth of flavor for our delicious caldereta. Now, let's create the signature rich sauce. Pour in 1/2 cup of soy sauce and 1/4 cup of vinegar, allowing them to simmer briefly. Stir in 1 cup of tomato paste and 1/4 cup of liver spread, which adds incredible creaminess and depth. Add 3 cups of beef broth and 1/2 cup of water, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Then, reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 1 hour and 30 minutes, or until the beef is perfectly tender. With the beef tender, it is time for the vegetables and final flavor enhancers. Add the diced potatoes and carrots to the pot, continuing to simmer until they are fork tender. Next, introduce the diced bell peppers, 1/2 cup of green olives, and 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapenos for that characteristic tang. Stir in 1/4 cup of peanut butter if you enjoy its subtle richness. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.